That's it. Literally, they've got a hold of a tree root here. What they're doing to this tree root. Look, this is just ridiculous. This is what you call prey drive, folks. This is what you call prey drive. They know something is in there. They want it. Let me see, boy. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. See what they did to this thing? They literally snapped this tree root underground. All in the name of moving shit. That's it. Get that, boy. Get that. Get that. Shake that. Shake it. That's it. Shake it. Good. Good. What's in there? Get him. What's in there? Get it. And they getting the kind of work right now that you just can't shake a stick at. All right, take it easy. Take it down and get some water in a minute. I'm doing this shit down here by the riverbank. Look, now he's got hold of another tree root. Like your tug of war, spring pole type exercise. But there you go. That's it, get it. Where is it? Is it in there? Did y'all bury the damn thing back in? I caused a freaking avalanche. This is why we come out here. See the work it puts on that body? We love all that. Yeah. Written in the book of life, we shall live forevermore. For people, there will be something for you. It's actually to our advantage. Where is it? Is it in there, girl? Is it still in there? I don't know if it's still in there, girl. I think you did something else. Where is it, boy? Atta girl. She's a maniac. Look at her. She's a maniac. He's gonna sit back. He's gonna recover. When he feels good and strong, he's gonna tackle it again. And he just can't stand it no more. There he goes. She's a hot mess. Look at that baby. Oh my gosh. Look at my baby. Gosh. My goodness. want to check somewhere else? I guess that's the answer to that, huh? All right, come on, guys. Let's go. Think we lost it. Ready to go? Ready to go? You said I'll move and you move. He's literally sliding. But what he's really trying to do is position himself to lay belly flat on the cool soil that they just dug up. Very smart dog when it comes to cooling down. Now he's trying to make the hole bigger. Not realizing he's just basically caving the animal in. There he goes. He's got hold of a tree root. There's his little exercise. Look how he moves the whole round now. He's literally about to tear this tree root up. There goes one. Her turn now. Atta girl. Good girl. Good girl. Where's that? That's it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Love to see your dog getting this kind of exercise. Love to see your dog have this kind of drive. That's if you're running these, these bull breeds. I tend to like my blood a bit on the hot side. Think we're gonna have to let this one go, gang. Take it as an L. Y'all almost had the one up in the tree the other night. It's very hard to get her to put her all into something. So I'm very reluctant to walk away while she's exerting this much energy. You okay, girl? She might got some twigs stuck in her teeth or something. Let me see. Let me see, girl. Let me see. Come here. Let me see. What's in that hole? Let me see what you got in that hole. Let me see. Let me see what you got in that hole. Come here. Let me see. What's in there? Y'all done blocked the whole hole up. It's too late now. Look at you. Look at you. Pulling rocks and shit out with your teeth. You motherfuckers need Jesus. So now, while she doesn't look like she's in the greatest shape, understand that she's been out here. You know, it took us about a good 20 minutes, if not longer, just to walk out this way. We've been hiking this riverbank here a good couple of hours now. So she don't look like she's in the greatest shape, but you can see she's still on all fours. Where'd it go, girl? Where'd it go? Is it in there or what? Look at this boy. That's it. Good. Looks like we at the end of the road with that one. It's all right, guys. It's all right. Atta girl. It's all right. It's all right. Atta girl. That's it. Guys did a great job. Can we go now? Great job.